Assalamu alaikum. The two Arabic letters wal and wa are very confusing in their phonics. Do you want to learn the difference between them? Watch this video. Welcome to my channel, Our Best Arabic Advisor. We have started the series of learning the similar sounding Arabic alphabets so we can really understand the Arabic as a beginner, so we can learn it and speak it well without confusing the words. The two letters Zol and Za both are very confusing. Actually, Za have a heavy sound and Zal have a light sound. Zal is one of the softest letter of the Arabic alphabet, while Za is heavy and little hard letter. We can understand the difference by the words and also pronunciations. Let's move toward the words. The first word is Zal, Zal, and it is Zal. Wal. Zal is to use for to humiliate. To humiliate someone, and wal to get lost. So the difference of the meaning you can see because of the change of the letter. Next word is nazar, nazar to wo. And nazar, nazar to view. Faz, faz, fearless. And faz, faz, rude. Zarf, zarf, weeping. And zarf, zarf, envelope. I have already made a video between the two words letter wa and za. If you're confusing this video with that one, be clear that is a separate video because there is a letter with za is za. Za and zal are also confusing among them, but dal, zal, ra and za. These are the letters of Arabic. If you have learned the Arabic alphabets, that's good. Do watch my videos which I made about the Arabic alphabets. You can find the link in the description box and also in the I buttons. So here Zal, Za and Za. And in my very beginning video, which was zero lesson, I told you that 3-4 words are very confusing among Za, Zal, Za and Zod, which also called Dod in Arabic special. But in Urdu sometimes it's called Zod. But sometimes it's confusing over here. So I try to teach these differences in my another video. And this video it is especially for Za and Zal. So let's move to the next letter word, which is Nazir. Nazir, bring of bad news, warning, bringer of bad news, warning. Bad news. And Nazir, counterpart, equal. Equal. Sorry. Nazir, zarf, faz, nazar, zal. Here you see Zal is speaking softly and with a light sound. Zal, nazar, faz, zarf, nazir. But in here wal, nazar, faz, zarf, nazir. So because of these heavy sound and the light sound, the letters are the change and so the meanings. Try to practice it and tell me in the comment box if you have any question. I will make new videos for you. See you then. I will with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and visit my site where you can find all this information. The link of this page of my site you can find in the description box. You will find here there are much knowledge about Arabic. You must make the notes if you really want to learn the Arabics. See you then. Assalamu alaikum.